Good morning and welcome to Earrings by Angela, where we learn, live, and create. This morning's affirmation will be in a looped style, which means that I will repeat the same affirmation over and over, and I invite you to do the same. Make sure that you stay to the end of this video for a very special message. Let's begin. My efforts are being supported by the universe, and my dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. This ends our affirmation series for today. And the message that I have for you is whatever you want, you can have. All you have to do is speak it into existence. And how do you do that? You write your goals down on a piece of paper. Make it definite. Be clear and precise about what you want. And then the next step is to say, what am I going to give in order to receive and manifest my dreams? Because you know that nothing comes for free. And giving does not have to be monetary. It can be an act of kindness, a service that you provide, a smile, a hug. Maybe you're there for someone. That's giving, right? So we're in the law of giving and receiving. And with that, the universe spreads its wings and opens up the floodgates for you to have whatever you want. So make sure that your goals are being repeated in the morning, in the afternoon. Pull out that paper and read that so that you can get it started for your day and it's on your mind before you go to bed at night. That these dreams that I want to manifest are coming true. Because guess what? You are a co-creator in your own universe, right? So with that being said, congratulations to manifesting your desires today. And you're going to have a wonderful day with so many surprises and blessings in it. All right. So make sure that you subscribe um, to our channel so that you can become part of our family. Like this and comment on anything. Just say hello or say, hey, I enjoyed this session or whatnot. All right. So peace and blessings to you all. Love you.